Hello, I'm going to show you how to build your ideal house for absolutely nothing in under 10 minutes using Google SketchUp. First off, we'll draw the rectangle to create the floor and then add guides for the overall length and width of the building. Type in the size and click enter. Now draw the outline snapping to the guides. Then erase all of the superfluous lines and guides. Now we'll create the shape of the actual floor footprint. Set the projection angle to perspective to display it correctly in 3D. Next, extrude the shape using the push-pull tool to the required height. When you use the orbit tool, you can switch to the pan tool by holding down shift. Now it's time to create the roof overhang using the offset tool. To start building the roof, we need to set the boundary for the main part of the roof structure. Start by setting the pitch angle of the roof. Draw the gable ends using the centre point and the guide. Set the axis in the red or green direction and hold down the shift key to lock it and click on a point to infer the end distance. Now we'll add the roof edge soffit details. Next, we'll create the secondary roofs in a similar way. Be sure to hold down shift to draw the vertical line, which should turn blue when vertical. We need to remove the excess geometry from below the eaves. This is probably the trickiest part, where two shapes intersect. The answer is to extend and join lines before deleting the unwanted parts. And that's what happens if you don't. Again, draw the guides and extend the lines and delete the excess. And it's starting to take shape. Now the roof's complete. We just need to add some windows and other details to add the finishing touches. As most of the windows will be the same size, we'll make just one and turn it into a component which can be used as many times as we like. Add the glass. To make the component, we need to select only its parts and nothing else. To make sure we do, we'll turn on X-ray mode and create the component. And add our guides again. The deliberate mistake was to delete them earlier. And drag in our new window component from the component inspector. Now repeat this on the east wing of our mansion. Using the existing guides as a height reference, it's easy to add alignment guides on the other plane on the side of our building. This time we'll Alt or Option drag the component, holding Shift to constrain the direction, then divide by the quantity to automatically space them evenly, by typing the / key and the number of windows required. Add a person, and turn on shadows, and you're done.